If you're ever working on an early 90s Mopar, like this is my daughter's 93 Dodge Shadow, maybe a Chrysler LeBaron or Plymouth Sundance, you can't get your heater controls to switch any between like dash vent, floor. Like right now this one is stuck on defrosters. There's one thing that you should probably check that is really easy and will hopefully fix this problem. All right, so we've been chasing this whole blend door issue with my daughter's 93 Dodge Shadow recently, and I went to the pick-up part today to look for some other parts, and there was a Chrysler LeBaron with this exact engine. Now, I'm not sure if this is the 2.2, I think it's a 2.5. Leave some comments down below. But I think, well, I know because I've already fixed it. Now I'm doing the video to show you guys. But right here on the firewall, right down here next to the brake booster, there's a small vacuum line. And this needs to connect to there's a little piece on the booster. That's right here. You can hear it. Sucking vacuum. This line needs to connect there. Here, so that was a little bit of a vacuum leak. I had to splice the lines together there, but now if I go into the car, and I kicked the vent on, now it's, yep, coming right out of the vent there. Let me see if I can show you. There you go. There's proof. Now, if I switch to the mixed, you hear it switch. Go to the defrosters. Whoop. They're trying to kick the AC on. We don't want that. The AC doesn't work in this car. There we go. So yeah, it's a vacuum actuated. There's a little manifold behind here where that vacuum line comes to. Blown out of my face. But yeah, there's a little manifold behind the dash, behind the heater controls, where those vacuum lines come in. They route some other places. I was thinking I was gonna have to tear the whole dash apart because I had put a vacuum pump on that line and it didn't help. It didn't fix the problem. I just happened to try this out today, got those parts from the pick apart, and this works. So yeah, if you're messing with one of these old Mopars, like I said, early 90s Mopars, and you're having an issue, check that vacuum line. That's really it, guys. Real quick, appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you in the next one.